What's up, everybody? Today in this video I'm going to be reviewing a few products from the Creme Argan oil line. I picked up this. You see that? This. The moisture rich hair butter. Picked up this. It's still several people who use this, so I figured I'd try it again with natural hair, because I don't think I used it on my natural hair. I think I used it on my relaxed hair back in the day, and I already have the perfect edges. Okay, I'm starting out with my hair in the hot oil treatment. I did a hot oil treatment before this with just some olive oil and some avocado oil, so I just rinsed that out, and now I'm going to go in with this. It says wet hair completely, apply generous amounts of roots, massage product through to ends, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes to allow product to deeply nourish hair, rinse thoroughly with water removing product, repeat as needed, follow up with our moisture recovery leave-in curl mix, which I don't have, but it's all good. It smells like the rest of the argan oil line. It smells like argan oil. It's actually, I like that. I like that. It was really creamy. Really creamy. It didn't feel like it didn't even feel necessarily like a conditioner though. I like the way it feels, y'all. It's real smooth. I lied, y'all. There is alcohol in this, but it feels so good. It actually feels better than I thought it was gonna feel. Okay, it said 3 to 5 minutes. I might leave it in for a little extra time since I'm not deep conditioning afterwards. Feels good. It feels clean. My scalp feels good. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this. It's a butter. It says to moisturize or rehydrate natural hair. Scoop out a generous amount and rub between palms. Gently smooth down the hair shaft from roots to ends without disturbing your natural curl pattern. Do not rinse.